federal court in the U.S. has found beautiful girl singer Sean Kingston guilty of fraud. His mother was also convicted of defrauding businesses of $1 million worth of jewelry, a luxury car, furniture, and a giant television. Both will be sentenced on July 11 and could each face up to 20 years behind bars. Kingston reportedly shed tears in court when the verdict was announced. We have excerpts tonight from a 2017 interview with the singer ahead of his appearance at Reggae Sumfest.
Oh, me wine. Run it.
New house, luxury Benz. Along with rumors, he's strapped for cash. But heavyweight Sinjay Sean Kingston laughing those off and sporting expensive bling as he gears up for Reggae Sumfest, his first ever appearance at the music festival.
People were saying the other day Sean Kingston is broke.
I got like 2-3 lawsuits, you know what I'm saying? I got some lawsuits and people don't understand, you know, that's why it's kind of like, I love my Jamaican people, but sometimes they don't really understand the real logics of it. Just because you read something, it's not automatically true, you know? People word things how they want to word it. And not only that, you know, when you're a big artist.
Oh, really? We hadn't heard.
But you know, that's all rumors. They, you know, for TMZ, the more negative stuff they put out, the more clicks they get because they know that I'm gonna drive the traffic. But in all reality, no, you know what I'm saying? I'm far from broke. I just signed actually a huge deal with Monster Music. You know, this deal is crazy. It's like I'm coming out with my own speakers. It's called Monster Rave Box, the Kingston edition. And then I just did a deal with a reality show. I got the reality show coming out. It's called the Kingston. It's going to be on E. And a lot of stuff, man, a lot of stuff. And I just bought a new house here, a new car here. So how can I be broke? You know what I'm saying?
Made a point of the car.
Oh yeah, I bought a new white Benz, a GL63 AMG. I bought a house in Northbrook. I just bought a house in LA. You know, I'm blessed. Yeah, you know, people may come off as, oh, Sean Kingston is flashy. It's not none of that. It's just that I grew up, you know, I've been through struggles. I slept in cars. I've been through poverty. I've been through all that. So to make it where I am, it's a blessing.
He's been fodder for news hounds, TMZ in particular, whether over late payment for jewelry or being cuffed by cops after a reported run-in with rap outfit Migos.
I had a few little things, but you know, those situations only make you become a better person, you know, a wiser person, and you learn from them, you know. And I'm at an age right now, I'm 27 years old. I'm at a point in my career where I'm not just, I want the positive things. I want people to really be, you know, people to remember me.
But the other side of that is that if somebody says something negative or somebody disses, you can't take it, you know, so you have to defend it.
Well, because, you know, that's, you know, being that my parents are Jamaican, you know, so we don't really take disrespect. So if I'm on disrespect, I forgot answer, but we're not really in that. You know what I'm saying? I create natural vibes with the pan right now, so. You can be successful and you feel like, you know, you can have everything that you want, and there's still gonna be people out there that's gonna say negative things. There's still gonna be blog sites that's gonna put up stuff. There's still gonna be people, oh, Sean Kingston is this, Sean Kingston is that. That's kind of the irritating part of it.
Forgive me for my wrongs.
You know, Rick Ross just had 3 lawsuits the other day. I feel like that's what people are gonna do. You know, people are gonna, I mean, sometimes it's real, sometimes it's not. You know what I'm saying? Of course, my situation, I could speak on behalf and know that those situations were not real. You know, those lawsuits from those jewelers or whoever it is, it's the same lawsuit. It's not like I'm going around here, oh, this and that, getting 8 different lawsuits. No, if you look and check the record of any lawsuit I ever had, it's the same company that's been suing me. It's not, you know what I'm saying? And I've been fighting it. It's not criminal, it's civil.
Tell me why.
Kingston's parents hail from Ocho Rios, but he was born in the US. His accent is interchangeable, much like his sound, an amalgam of rap and dancehall, what's referred to as island pop. A nice fit right now as dancehall merges with the pop and rap mainstream. Beautiful Girls a Billboard #1, Fire Burning from his debut album Tomorrow, also a hit.
Hey, yo, Sean.
As for Letting Go with Nicki Minaj and Jason Derulo's What You Say, which Kingston co-wrote, but less of those lately.
I really had a situation with my record label. I had to get off, I just got on my contract. I wasn't able to release a lot of music because I was on a contract with Epic Records. Now I'm starting to put out my real music, but I haven't put out nothing. It's not like Sean Kingston put out songs that flopped. I just haven't put out anything. Now I'm actually putting out songs. You know, I put out 4 songs the other day. They're like 3, one of them is at 450,000 on my SoundCloud within, 12 days, 12, 13 days. And not only that, I feel like people, they don't always, just because you don't hear about somebody, that doesn't mean I've been writing songs songs for Justin Bieber. I've been writing songs for Chris Brown. I've been doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff. I wrote Ayo for Chris Brown and Tyga. I wrote Moses for French Montana Amigos. I wrote Liquor for Chris Brown. I've been doing a lot of writing behind the scenes. You know, it's just that you're not hearing Sean Kingston on the radio, but that doesn't mean that I'm not working.
How heavy is that bling?
Kind of heavy, you know. This is the latest piece I bought. This is a Hamza, and it means in Jewish it means peace, and it means blessed, and it blocks a lot of blessings. A lot of evil spirits.
And I'm going to be tacky and ask you how much you paid for it.
This one right here was $50,000 with the chain.
Bling with lots of heft, much like Sean Kingston.
Right, Sean?
Everything's gonna be great.